Howdy folks, Mud Flaps here. Gonna give you a brief glimpse of what's going on. I got a load out of Benton, Missouri going to Paradise Hill, Saskatchewan. And I'm about halfway there. And the weather is kind of turned nasty. So I'm gonna show you a little bit the weather we're having up here in Fargo, North Dakota. This trip I'm making is about 1,800 miles. So we'll keep working that and hopefully we'll be there tomorrow sometime. I'll get out and show you a little bit what they got blizzard conditions outside and blizzard warnings out right now. Little chilly out there. It's about, see what the outside temperature is right now. It's about 11 degrees. Let's go down to about -1. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time around.